Hey guys, in this video, I want to talk to you about Shopify apps and how to use Merchify, which is an app for on-demand shirt merchandising. So this is like, let's say, this video is focused on it's for people that do t-shirt marketing. So you just start by clicking on apps here on your admin panel. Just click on there, and right now I don't have any apps installed because for the store because I have it was just set up really quickly. So you can see below what future apps are available from the beginning. You see right here. You will also see the trending apps, marketing apps, coupon apps, and more. Shopify also shows you sales apps. So there's a ton of apps. However, most of these apps are not free, but just take your time to go through all of them and see which ones fit your needs. You can just click here, visit Shopify App Store. Because there, when you click on it, you'll see, like I mentioned you, a ton of different apps related to different areas of your business. See how many niches there are? It's incredible, you know? See? For example, not only marketing and sales, but shipping, social media, inventory, customer service, accounting. You see social media right here. These are really cool. Social media is pretty cool. So yeah, Shopify has made it easy and very useful for you to help run your business. Get familiar with the App Store because it's really a gold mine. Now I want to tell you how to install the Merchify app, which is great for t-shirts. I have used it in the past with great success. You might want to use it too, just in case you do t-shirts, you know. So now that I have explained how to find cool apps for your store, I'm going to install an app that, like I said, would be very useful for your business. It's called Merchify. Excuse me. In the search bar of the App Store, type Merchify here. Merchify. Go through all the wonderful sales points that Merchify provides. Like, this app is amazing because it helps you sell t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, posters, mags, and all without any inventory and without you having to do any hard work. So just click on it, Merchify, this one right here. And as you can see all the sales points here. You see t-shirts, tank tops, canvas wraps, mags, mouse pads, laptop skins, iPhone cases. So there's a ton of stuff. Just click on the Get App button right here, the Get green button. This app, of course, is free. And once you click on that, you'll go on the next page to install the app. Shopify lets you know everything you can do in your store with this app. Here we go. So just click on the Install Merchify, which is well, actually install app, blue button, and your app will be installed. So once you go back to the app section, you will see your app there. Okay, so just go back in your apps section. You see install, and voila, you see the Merchify app right here. So now you have to create, of course, your Merchify account. Now that you have installed it, just go to Merchify, which is right here. Do the same process that I did. You know, just go to the apps in your panel, then go to your Merchify app and click on it. So you'll be brought here. A page will open up with Merchify. To create your account, look at the top of the page and click where it says account. Okay, so right here, account. When you do that, a new page will open up for you to input your information. Okay, these are my information, so go ahead and fill it. Fill in all the boxes with your information. Your account will be completed. So Now I'll show you how to create a shirt with Merchify and uploading it to Shopify. So next, just head over to the Merchify platform so you can start adding products. Again, just go over to apps in your panel and click on the Merchify app itself. To create your first t-shirt, click on t-shirts right here. A window will pop up. So there you insert some beginner information for your product. It's pretty self-explanatory right here. So like the title, SKU number, and description. There are some default information here, so just you can easily swipe that. After that, just hit save, and after it's saved, you choose the material under t-shirt builder. Okay, right here, right now I have to. So yeah, I can just enter some information, but anyways, you can choose from you see, like, okay, let me type really quick, like just going to put something like t-shirt. Yeah, just so I can at least see 1 2 3. Okay, now it's saving the product. Yeah, that's just some random information just to show you really quick, and then you can after it's saved, you choose the material under t-shirt builder. Right here, you can choose from Gildan, Anvil, or 3 types of American apparel. I would personally pick the 100% cotton American apparel. See the preview on the right, which is here, American apparel. um, and down below, you select the styles that you wish to offer. Okay, unisex, women's. I would just type unisex, and women's too. Well, actually, yeah, unisex. And you can, of course, the first one is unisex, and second is for women. Then you can pick a color. You scroll down further to upload an image, and so you can see it in your preview. Okay. It's very easy. So once uploaded, you choose a size and price. Okay, size and price. You probably want to select the markup price. So once you're done with all of that, click on the next step and save the product. You can save the product easily. The product will be saved to Shopify. You need to change the visibility for the product in your store, remember, so that it becomes visible to your buyers. Okay, just click on view my product in Shopify, and that takes you to the products page on your Shopify store. The beauty of this is that Merchify does all the work for you. Just follow the same process to set up other products. This is really easy, guys. So once you set up your product in your store, you will just select the button at the top which says view your website to preview your store and see the shirt uploaded. You can also see your shirt on Merchify. I hope you are as excited for the next video as I am.